Hello guys, today I am going to discuss about the most important nerve of upper limb, that is the axillary nerve. Axillary nerve is also known as circumflex nerve. Okay? Axillary nerve is also known as circumflex nerve. Or circumflex nerve. So first we will be discussing the important points of the axillary nerve. Okay? So first point is from where it is arising. So it arises from the C5 and C6 root. Okay, from this C5 and C6 roots, axillary nerve is arising. Okay, and it arises from the posterior cord of brachial plexus. Posterior cord of brachial plexus. So brachial plexus is also one of the important topic, and I will be discussing the brachial plexus in my coming videos. Okay. Next, after arising, the axillary nerves enters into the quadrangular space. So after arising, axillary nerve enters into the quadrangular space, and this quadrangular space is a intermuscular space. Enters into quadrangular space. So this quadrangular space, it is one of the intermuscular space. As we know, we have three intermuscular spaces. First one is upper triangular space, second one is lower triangular space, and third one is quadrangular space. So this we are going to make separate video on these intermuscular spaces in my coming videos. So axillary nerve is the content of the quadrangular space. Now, after entering into the quadrangular space, this axillary nerve, it divides into two branches. Axillary nerve divides into two branches, that is the anterior division or anterior branch, posterior division or posterior branch. Two branches, anterior and posterior. Okay. Next, now I am going to discuss branches of the axillary nerves. Mainly they are 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. Mainly there are 5 branches. 2 branches to the that is the muscular branches, 1 is the articular branches, and 2 cutaneous branches. So branches of axillary nerve, total there are 5 branches. 2 branches, that is muscular branches, which supplies the muscles, supplies to deltoid muscle and teres minor muscle. So these two muscles are supplied by axillary nerve. Second one is one articular branch. Articular branch means supplied to the joint. So axillary nerve supplies to the shoulder joint. Next one is two cutaneous branches, that is which supplies to the skin. Okay. So what are they? As we know that axillary nerve, it is divided into two branches, anterior branch and posterior branch. So anterior branch of axillary nerve will supply to the skin over the deltoid, supplies or gives cutaneous branch over the skin of deltoid. Second one is posterior branch is giving another cutaneous branch, and that is known as upper lateral cutaneous branch of arm. Upper lateral cutaneous branch of arm. So this upper lateral cutaneous branch of arm, it supplies to the upper lateral part of skin of arm, upper lateral skin of arm. So these are the cutaneous branches of arm. So mainly there are 5 branches. 2 are the muscular branches which supplies to 2 muscles, that is the deltoid and teres minor, first one, and then the one articular branch which supplies the shoulder joint. 2 cutaneous branches, that is the anterior branch of axillary nerve supplies to the cutaneous or skin over the deltoid. Next one is the posterior branch. It is the most important branch of the axillary nerve, and it is also known as the upper lateral cutaneous branch of arm, as it supplies the upper lateral skin of the arm. So this is the introduction of axillary nerve. In my next video I will be drawing the diagram and showing like how the axillary nerve is dividing in when it is entering into the quadrangular space, which is the one of the intermuscular space, and how it is supplying the muscles and how it is giving the branches. Okay, so this is the important point. And one important point, why it is known as circumflex nerve, as it is surrounding the surgical neck of the humerus. Okay, axillary nerve surround the surgical neck of humerus, whereas shaft of humerus is surrounded by the radial nerve. Okay, so this is all about the axillary nerve. In my next video I will be discussing the diagram of the axillary nerve. Okay, and I will be coming with clinical questions on the axillary nerve. And if you want more MCQs, then join my Telegram channel, which I will be posting in my description box. And if you want notes also, then join my Telegram channel. If you like my video, then please share, like and comment.